After a long wait, they're here. 2 boxes. Okay. Let's start with this one. Okay, so this is set B, and if you pre-ordered a set on Weverse, you get a pack of photo cards, and then set B comes with 2 DVDs and 2 CDs and a photo book. And it looks like this. Whoa! Is this showing up on camera? It has like a very 3D effect on this clear file. I guess this is the pre-order benefit, the photo cards from Weverse shop for ordering a set. I saw pictures on Twitter. These are horizontal, which is cool. 남준이. Oh my gosh, I love this photo shoot. I'm holding myself back from squealing their names because you all know who they are. Oh my gosh, these are great. These are so gorgeous. So this is the pre-order benefit, I guess, or the benefit for ordering a set. And then, oh yeah, and the Japanese albums and packaging have like this nice plastic packaging, which you could reuse. Like you could store the album in this. So I'm going to try to figure out how to open this. Okay, so there's at the side, there's this resealable little, whatchamacallit, resealable end. And this has a case, and this is the digipack, I guess, and disc. Yes, so 4 discs in here, and this piece of paper, and this BTS The Best. Lyrics in Japanese, and the photo book. Let's look at this. I love this photo shoot. Immediately when I saw these preview photos, loved it so much. Ah, yes. Yoongi's photo there, crazy. Very nice. I'm gonna have to check to see that my DVD player is like compatible with the Japanese region. So I know you have to check that. So this is the first digipack, and then I think this is the one that comes with the big photo book. Oh, these are nice. I like these cases. Ooh, so this one has stickers. Ooh, it has both photo shoot stickers. And again, this piece of paper sort of looks like a jewel case cover. And this has 2 CDs. And this has the thicker photo book. Let's look at this. So lyrics in the front. And then this has like the purple version photo shoot. Cool. She's got like a decorative belt on. Wow, is this purple sand? Oh, and so the first half is the purple photo shoot, and the second half is the camper van photo shoot. Oof, these pictures are so good. It's nice to see JK with his platinum blonde hair, and Jimin이 blonde too. They're so good. I saw this photo on Twitter. Yoongi, what are you doing? My gosh, just attacking us left and right. V in his like floral print pajama pants. Oh my gosh, I really like Taeyong's hair here, this length and this style. Wow. So this is the second digipack with photo book, thicker photo book. And then onto the, I think it's called like the standard CD. Is that what it's called in English? I'll actually open this as well because this has a couple more. Somewhere along my journey, I went from what are photocards, what are these things, to becoming an OT7 collector. So these are the 6 I ordered separately, and this is the one that came in the set. I think there should be photocards in here. Maybe it's inside the lyric book. Oh, yep, I feel something. Yoongi! Wait, what is going on? Oh, they're sort of like semi-transparent. So I saw it through the back. Yoongi! We're off to a good start, you guys. I've got Yoongi hands. I pull Yoongi the most often. And inside this is, once again, that paper, a group photo, and the lyrics. That's it. Okay. Yay! Good start, good start. Okay. I think I can just... Tay! I can just pop them out, slide them out. Second CD is Tay. Very nice. Okay. Third one. Okay. Number 3. Tay again. Still so beautiful though. Okay. Who are you? Hobie! Okay. Okay, number 5. Oh, who are you? Jimin이! Whew. Okay. Alright. Please, one of these have JK. Oh, starting to get nervous. No. 태영이. Tay. 3 Tays so far. Last one. Last one. Oh my gosh. JK came through. Woo! JK, you made a dramatic entrance. 7th CD had JK. Woo! Yay, I'm so glad I don't have to try to trade for you. So, in total, can we see? Yoongi, 3 Taeyongis, Hobie, Jimin이, and JK. So I just need to get Jin and RM. Hopefully I can trade for them. Alright, oh, I'll show you them up close. I don't think I did proper close-ups. My hands are shaking from being nervous. Yoongi. Literally my hands are shaking. Sorry. Tae. These are a really interesting texture. I've never seen the Japanese album photocards before, so I don't know if they're all like this, but they're kind of like plastic and sort of semi-transparent. Hobi. Shimini. Isate. And last but not least, Dear Mangne. Okay. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing. Stay safe and well, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye!